Hey out there, YouTube, how we doing today? Sorry, let me do a little slight camera adjustment. Alright, there we go. So as you can tell by that title, thumbnail, whatever you clicked on, Battlbox is back in the shop. This is the one for January, as they're calling it New Year, New Gear. So I figured let's do a different review style today. So stay tuned after we roll the intro. I'm going to show you what came in the box. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, for all you cool kids who haven't done it yet and you first-time viewers, look down below here somewhere. You're going to see a small little channel watermark popping up. Go ahead and hover over that for a moment. It should pull up subscribe. Go ahead, hit that, get it out the way early, and that way you're going to feel good about yourself for the rest of the day. Alright guys, as you know, we're going to take a look at the basic version. It's about all I'm willing to sacrifice at this point. Battlbox, I guess, has changed up their whole new look. They're charging more for the basic version and the advanced version. They have done away with mission themes and themed gear in order to provide better quality gear for the box. Now, as most of you know, I started doing videos about Mission 23. Somewhere up top, you're going to see a card to every Battlbox video I've done. I used to be at the Pro Plus level because I love the Knife of the Month Club, but I dropped down because I saw direction and things that were going on. I may increase, but I'm going to give Battlbox, a bit more of a try and see exactly what they do with this. Now, as I usually do, there's the mission card. Okay? As you can plainly see, there's 4 levels. The more you spend is the more gear you're going to get. Basically, they have this month's value at $292.71. But like I said, we're going to take a look at the basic version because that's all I'm willing to invest in right now. So first up, we have the Ganzo Auto Knife Golf 7362 Golf Romeo. And I guess it's a 440C stainless steel. Now, I have never had a Ganzo before. Here's the box. We're going to do a more in-depth review on this like we usually do on the channel. I really know nothing about Ganzos other than they're pretty much a knockoff of Benchmade knives. Now, before it goes too much further and my boy Woodland Tactical foams at the mouth and we have to sedate him, I'm sure he's going to leave some pretty cool comments down below about Ganzos. So check out what he's got to say. I've already opened this and gave my daughter the bubble wrap. So basically, you get little silica gel, Ganzo propaganda, a little carrying bag, yeah, and the blade itself. Alright, it's an auto. Alright guys, sorry about that. Looks like my camera took a dump. So we're gonna back this up a moment. Alright, I don't know where it crapped before. I'm just gonna reshoot this part and let it go all the way through. Basically, you get the little Ganzo propaganda, a little carrying bag that I will never use, and there's your blade. It's an auto opener by that little button right there. Opens up pretty cool, and you have to depress the button as well to close it. You're going to be seeing a more in-depth review on this later on. It feels like the scales are G10. It seems pretty coolly centered. But irregardless, like I said, I have no experiences with Ganzos. I know really nothing about them, nothing about the company, but I'm going to learn, and we'll be bringing that review to the channel. It's got a price of $24.20. Oh, I'm sorry. Basically, I paid $30 for the basic version, and it's got an overall value of $60.75. All right, now you guys may have seen these out there before. I really wanted to get some. It's the b.o.s.s mini fire kit, and it's got a value of $12.99. Well, there it is. Alright. Inside here, you get your ferro rod striker, a little Fresnel lens, little magnesium capsules, char cloth, fat wood, pencil sharpener, and some tinder tabs. From my understanding, Battlbox got a massively scaled down version of the one that b.o.s.s puts out. No big deal. Ways to help start a fire. I'm okay with this. This is cool. Next up is valued at 11 bucks. It's Backpacker's Pantry Chicken Piccata. Easy, baby. My littlest Brianna's running around the area today, so if you hear some weird noise, that's just her having a little bit of fun. Everybody knows Backpacker's Pantry. I guess Battle Dan and Kern 1776 really like this one, so that's why we got it. No biggie, you get food. Okay? Don't care. And this is one thing I like that Battlebox does, and I think they do pretty well. Every so often, they throw you in some knowledge. Okay? This month, you're getting... Bless you, baby. You okay? All right, cool. Woof. Here's tissue. Okay, blow your nose. And make sure you throw it in the garbage. Good girl. Okay, as I was saying, they throw in knowledge, and this month you get a book, The Prepper's Pocket Companion, valued at $12.56. You know, oh, hey, color.
I want to see.
You want to see?
Yeah.
How's that? Is that cool?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'll be checking this out and bringing you a review on the channel as well. May take a little while because I've got some books that are stacked up for reviews, but we will get to it. Now, one of the other things Battlebox does that I kind of like, they always add in what I like to say free money. Well, there's something for goinggear.com, it looks like. So go ahead and use whatever code's on there. Okay. That's for a bigger version for the stat... What is it? The stat tourniquet. And something for Backpacker's Pantry. So make sure you use those, okay? Because I know I probably won't be. Now, usually, this is the point in the video where I would just pause it, set everything up, and give you a little whatever. But because they did New Year, New Gear, and I'm trying a new review style, yeah, I kept this one kind of brief because, I'll be honest, I don't think the Knife of the Month Club this month, other than the steel, the S35VN steel, with titanium scales, it's a small little flipper from what I understand. From Bastion Gear.
Get out of here, you own turd.
Hey, let me finish this up, okay? Is that alright? Thank you, baby. In the advanced, that stat tourniquet, honestly, it looks like a big frickin' zip tie with a little timer on it. So I don't get it. And the trail thermos, I don't know. Alright? I want to give them credit for seeing a problem in their business model. But it also makes me wonder, they put 4 years worth into themed missions, and now they've scrapped it. And it makes me wonder why. But I'll still be going with them. I'll still be coming along for the ride. And if I see anything that's worth a full, Pro Plus level, I'm going to be bringing it to the channel. Hey, you, I'm almost done. Yeah, I see that smile. But here's the important part of the video, guys. I want to know what you think. That's right, everybody out there, all of you, I want to know what you think. Granted, it's just the basic version, and I know some other channels have brought the Pro Plus, and they've gotten thousands of views. But if you're watching this, I want to know what you think about the change in their business model, what you saw, your thoughts on maybe their direction. Just let's get a little discussion going here. Now, it's your questions, comments, love, hatred. Like I usually say, I don't care. Put them all down below. I'm going to get back with you, and I foster all kinds of viewpoints here on the channel. So if you hate it, tell me you friggin' hate it. I'm not going to delete your comment because you hate it. There's some things with Battlebox I go, what the fuck, guys? Now, with all that fun stuff being said, if you're a first-time viewer of my channel, I want to thank you so much for taking a moment to watch this weird version. All right? It's a different little review style. I don't know if I'll be doing much like this again, just simply because it's so much easier to have tabletop, lay stuff out, and get moving forward. Hey, you. Seriously, I'm almost done. We're in the wrap-up part here, okay? Thank you, baby. It means the world to me that you guys are watching this video. All right? It does. It truly touches me from my heart. Now, for you longtime viewers and you guys who didn't do it at the beginning of the video, we're going to give you a second chance at redemption right now. Down below in one of those two corners, there's going to be a big old channel logo. Go ahead and click on that. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've subscribed, please click on the bell icon. Why? Well, as you can hear in the background, it's going to make somebody very, very happy. And she's over there playing on the table right now, making a bunch of noise. Love you, baby. We're almost done, seriously. And that bell icon is also going to notify you every single time I upload a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, two are going to be either on that side of the screen or that side of the screen. Oh, I love her. Those are going to be videos that YouTube selects from my catalog of videos that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. Well, there we go, guys. Battlbox, Mission 47, New Year, New Gear. From me and, well, the little monster at the table, thank you so much for watching. We hope you have a great rest of your day.